Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to see if someone opened your email in Outlook. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once it launches, log into your account and wait for all your emails to load in. This ensures everything is synced and ready so you can access all the features you need. Give it a moment to fully load before moving forward. Now that your emails are loaded, you'll want to access your email composition tools. Look toward the top left part of your screen where you'll see a button labeled New Email. Go ahead and click on that button. This opens up the email composition window, which is where you'll be able to enable the tracking feature before you send any message. Once the email composition screen appears, you'll need to head over to the Options tab. At the top of the composition window, you'll see several tabs like Message, Insert, and Options. Click on the Options tab to access additional email settings. This is where Outlook keeps the more advanced features, including the one that lets you track whether your email has been opened. After clicking on Options, look through the menu that appears. You'll find a checkbox labeled Request a Read Receipt. This is the key feature you need to enable. When you toggle this checkbox on, Outlook will automatically request a notification when the recipient opens your email. It's a simple but powerful tool that gives you confirmation that your message was actually read. Make sure that checkbox is enabled before you continue. With the Read Receipt feature now turned on, you can compose your email just like you normally would. Type your message, add any attachments if needed, and fill in the recipient's email address. Everything else works exactly the same as sending a regular email. The only difference is that Outlook will now track when the email is opened. Once you've finished composing your email, go ahead and send it to your recipient. After the email is delivered and the recipient opens it, you'll receive a notification directly in your Outlook inbox. This notification will appear under your sent email, confirming that the message has been opened and read. It's a straightforward way to stay informed about whether your emails are being seen, which is especially useful for important messages or time-sensitive communications. And that's it. You've now set up Outlook to track when your emails are opened, giving you valuable insight into whether your messages are being read. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.